So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Duet dating app location problem. So if you have a location problem on Duet, you will need to check your device's location permissions, clear the app cache, and you can also restart your phone. So let's start off with your settings. So if you open your settings, you can go to your apps, then scroll down to the letter D for Duet. Once you're here, you can see location, photos, Siri, search, notifications, background app refresh. So if you're using location and location setup, you can see never ask next time or when I share while using the app or always. So you will need to see those location permissions to fix the recurring location problem. So on there, it's easily fixable. You just choose either while using the app or always. So your Duet app can precisely determine your location. You can even turn on precise location at that. After that, you can also clear your app's cache, which can be done within the app itself. So if we go back to the app, so you can see here under your settings, the option for data storage and data recovery. You can clear your cache on there. Or you can verify your distance settings and subscription radius inside the app. So on here, if we go back to those discovery settings, so you can see women, men, everyone, maximum distance, age range. So you can set that up to be a bit more precise. So if it's within 20 miles or 30 miles, something like that, you can then determine that location a bit more precisely. So you can do some of these things that I showed you. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duet or similar topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.